Hi, my name's Hannah George, and this is Aroma G's. We are in our back spirit room, where you'll find a load of figural candles. We have a bunch of different kinds and different colors. We have some basic human figures in white. We have female and male, black, pink and red, green. So these are used for different color magic or candle magic. Green being luck and prosperity. Pinks and reds can go with love and friendship and passion. Red can also be protective. Black and white can be protective, black banishing, white good for purity and light work. We have some more intricate figural candles here, where they're either standing back to back or front to front. So back to back would be trying to separate two people where they're walking away from each other, and front to front is bringing two people together. You can dress these candles like you would any other magical candles with magical oils and herbs that we have here in store. We have a free candle dressing station you can dress your candles with. If you want to do it at home, we have these handy dandy wood carving kits that you can use for candles. So for these, you can carve initials, dates, maybe zodiac signs or any type of like protective symbol or anything you want right into the candle. To really hone in that intention. We've got some marriage candles and passion candles. Moving down to these lower shelves, we've got cats for luck work, or if you have a kitty you want to help protect at home, you can always do magic with and for your pets. We've got loads of cross ones. These can be used for representing a person instead of the human figure candle. Say if the person was non-binary or gender fluid, or you just didn't know. There you go. We also have loads of skull candles down the bottom for influencing people, maybe trying to change your own mindset. We also have member candles, and you will find these in our back spirit room. You can find Aroma G's Botanica at 223 Donaldson Pike and online at aromags.com.